In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create or add products to your site in Squarespace. Whether you're launching a new store or expanding your catalog, this process is simple and quick. First, log into your Squarespace account by heading to the home page, clicking Login, and selecting Continue with Google for a fast and secure sign-in. Once logged in, go to your dashboard, find your website, and open the site editor. On the left-hand navigation panel, click Commerce, then select Products to enter your product management area. From here, click Add Product and choose the type: physical, digital, or service. Next, enter your product name, upload a high-quality image, and then click Next to set the price. You can also add more details like size, color, or variations to improve the shopping experience. When everything looks good, go to the top right, click Save, then select Publish to make your product live on your site. And that's it. You've successfully added a product to your Squarespace store in just a few steps.